How to scan QR code on WhatsApp. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings. And here you want to click on the QR code icon next to your profile at the top. And once you are on this page right here, you want to click on the scan code tab, and here you will be able to scan the QR code on WhatsApp using your camera or even a QR code from your gallery. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can scan QR code on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.